Are you interested in high-end luxury scents that's not cutting into your budget? Well, Dossier has just the thing for you. Today, I will be showing you 2 fragrances that I was able to pick out from them. And it came in this really wonderful packaging that says iconic scents, designer quality, and no markups. The first scent that I picked from them is called Floriental Brown Sugar. It is inspired by YSL. And when I tell you guys, the scent of this fragrance smells amazing, okay? Only a little bit of this perfume goes a really long way. It is really concentrated, and I find that it lasts all day. And not to mention, if you're unsatisfied with your fragrance, you have 30 days to return it back to them for a full refund. No questions asked. They also specialize in not only affordability, but a range of scents from $29 to $59. And you can also do bulk deals up to 25% discount with free shipping for 3 bottles. The next scent that I picked out is called Fruity Honey. This is inspired by Jo Malone, and this one has a very fresh scent to it that I really enjoy wearing. But if you like to have a wide variety of fragrances, they're always offering new scents to their site, and they take suggestions from customers for any future releases. I also love that all their fragrances come in this really nice glass bottle with a magnetic top, so you will never lose it. They also offer free returns and exchanges on their site, so that is definitely a bonus to shop from them. Thank you again, Dossier, for reaching out to me on these wonderful fragrances. Make sure you guys check out dossier.co for all your fragrance needs.